Hello guys, welcome you all to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to do a proper keyword research for your YouTube automation channel. Right? You can't even think about a YouTube automation channel if you can't do a proper keyword research. So in this video I'm going to review some few free keyword research tools that worked for me. As you can see, I started this channel before 6 months, that means in 2022, and I got this result. As you can see, I got around 7.4k views per month, right? And also, as you can see, I got 465 subscribers, and I'm getting around 300 to 400 daily views. That is quite interesting. If you can see this graph here, it is gradually growing, and that's very interesting. I didn't show my face for this channel. Okay, that means I didn't use my face for this channel, but it is still growing and showing positive results. So for that I used few techniques to create this channel and applied them on this channel. Now I'm seeing the results, so I'm sharing my experience with you with this channel. I'm also showing you the way to do free keyword research. Let's dive into the video. The first website is called tools.wordstream.com. As you can see, if you type a keyword like this, actually I asked a question, and then you will get related keywords and the volume. And as you can see, the first one is treatment of diabetes type 1. It is getting around 12,000 views per month, and that's competition is very low. So if I were you, I would definitely create content for this keyword. So I got this result for free. I didn't pay any penny any cent for this channel, so it's completely free, and you can use this tool also. The second tool I'm going to show you here is the keyword.io, and it is an amazing tool because my first tool is this, and the keywords now ranking on YouTube is from this tool, because I chose so I will show you. Right, my channel was related to health needs, so I typed diabetes. I'm going to change it diabetic. Okay, that's all. And you can select select a platform for that. If you want to rank on Amazon, then you can select Amazon. If you want to go rank on Google, you can select Google. But this moment at this moment I am selecting YouTube because it is my platform. I am creating content for this platform. Okay. Right, hit the search button and it will generate lots of keywords for my YouTube videos. Look at this. I should say something here, because if you want to select keyword, first select questions keyword like this. That is because people are searching for informational content. Okay, if you start a channel and you want to get traffic, then what you have to do is you have to provide a value for them. So you are going to provide that value through your answers. You are going to answer their question, and also if you are answering the questions, then you will get high click-through rate, and also the audience is targeted, right? Because they are searching for that question. Okay, you are giving your answer, so it's very important if you can select questions and then answer them, and you will definitely get traffic uh, from that. That I'm saying this because if you here I'm going to content and all, and as you can see, last 28 days I got traffic from YouTube search. That is because I chose corrections keywords. That is very important. And from this tool you can export your keywords like this, and if you want to download as a text file, you can download like this. It will download here, keyword.io long tail text. Right, if you open that and you have downloaded the selected keyword, right? That is that much simple, and I showed you two completely free keyword tools. But if you want to go beyond that, and I also got this tool this month, because I got this tool to see the performance of this tool, and it is actually good. If you can buy a tool like this, you will get lots of information about these keywords, right? But I don't think you should buy this tool, because you're if you want to do your keyword research, and then you can use these free tools for that task. And so the amazing thing is, here you're getting search traffic, and that is very valuable, and you will get a high amount of audience retention. That means let's see, as you can see, within 6 months I could get 3,132 public watch hours. That means my viewers are watching my videos because they are coming for a solution. My utmost expectation is to give them an answer, so they are waiting for that, and they are watching my video completely because they want that information. That's why I'm telling you, you can select correction like this. Can you get rid of type 1 diabetes, and people will come. People watch one video and another because they want to know different ideas about the same topic. So try to do your own way. Try to give them an answer in your way. That you can do that. So I think doing a YouTube channel is not really difficult, and it is all about understanding, and it's not that much difficult, right? So people definitely will watch, alright, your video. Don't think about these numbers. Okay, it can be very low of search volume, but it will definitely get views, right? Definitely get views, because there are 8 billion people in this world, and one of them definitely will watch your video, you will watch your correction. So what you have to do is, you have to you have to increase your content library, right? If you have a big content library, definitely your channel is a very famous brand in the world in the future. Okay, right? So for that, do a channel and increase your content library, and try to answer questions, and that will definitely grow your channel, and you will be uh, best famous brand channel in the future, right? Okay. The next video I'm going to show you how to automate, how to create content for these these keywords, and then you will see the whole process, and I will definitely show you how to create the script and how to create the voiceover for these are completely for free, and how to create the voiceover, and then how to create how to edit your video, and also how to post it. So I will show you these things, because I learned these techniques throughout my YouTube journey, and also I learned these from that channel, my health channel, and it is now performing very well. I applied these techniques for that channel. Okay, I think this is enough. I think I could give you a better solution for your question. That means you want to find keywords, best keywords, and I gave that answer. And if you enjoy my video, please subscribe to my channel, and hope for the next video, because I'm going to reveal lots of valuable stuff from that video. Until then, okay, bye bye.